You don't want to just go directly to this login, and so nobody will see it. None of your users will see it. So let's go here, log in, and remember I told you the instead of the email address I put in tutorial at first to log in. So just put tutorial in there, and then the password was 123456, and then we're going to sign in. Okay, now once you sign in, these other links come up. Now again, you probably will not want this to appear like this on your site, but it's just to keep it all here for this tutorial. So the first thing you should do, go in edit settings, and then put in the current password, which is 123456, and put in a harder password here for you. Change the password. Then after you do that, current email address, put in tutorial, and go down and put your email address in there. So you don't want my stuff in there for you. Alright, so now we're back at the locations. Of course, we have no locations right now, but the first thing I want to do is I want to add a distance. Now this is the distance in miles for the radius for the search a member or user does to find locations. So let's click add miles, and this part isn't going to be part of all the store locators. Remember, I have various ones. I'm just trying to show you an overall thing of how to set this all up. So let's put in 10 miles, and there it is, 10 miles. And we get 25 miles, and let's just add one more, 50 miles. I'm going to go back to the main page, and there they are, 10 miles, 25 miles, and 50 miles. Okay, let's go back to the directory, and now we have no locations, but if we did, you could search here by locations, city and state. You can enter the name. Now if you have a name of business that's you're using for every location, which you probably will, this isn't going to be very helpful. But in case maybe you have a location, my stores, and you're going to put them in as my stores 1, my stores 2, then that could be helpful. It's just so you can find a location real quick, because if you have 100 locations, it's going to go down, and I have the pagination set up where you might have 5 per page, but it would take you a little bit to find the one you're looking for. So it's easier just to find the location to edit or delete it, or even add a new image by searching by the location or the name. So let's add our first location, and we're just gonna call this my hotel. Alright, we're just going to use a hotel as a fictitious business for this store locator. So let me put in the address, and this is totally fictitious hotel. I'm actually using, for the images you're going to see, are actually office buildings. The location is office buildings, but I just want you to see something for the tutorial. Alright, so let's add in the information. Okay, so I've added in the information for this hotel, the address, city, state, and all, and then I just made up a phone number. And on the website, it's not required to put a website, but if you have a website for your locations, you can put it in there. I put in Yahoo just to show you how it works. Alright, but all these fields are required except for the website field. You don't have to do that. So let's click here to add latitude and longitude, and we have this window pop up, and you just got to put that address of that location in. Alright, the location is put in there. We're going to search, and there it is. This is our marker, and it gives us the latitude and longitude. So I'm just going to copy this latitude, and you have to add latitude and longitude for the Google Maps to work. Alright, we have that information. Now we're going to add an image. Okay, so here's our images we have for our locations, and we're going to select the one that we're doing this tutorial for, and then we're going to submit. And there it says your location was added successfully. Go to the new locations directory, and there it is. It has the name, the address. Alright, and then if you want to edit the info, you go in here. You can edit anything, and also you can click to delete it. I'm just going to click submit again. Also, you can edit the image, or you can delete this location. Okay, so now what I want to do is I'm going to add one more location. Okay, now I've added another location, and then now we'll go back to the home page and see how the map works.